This is the largest Caribbean buildup in decades. U.S. military equipment has been spotted moving into southern Puerto Rico as tensions with Venezuela escalate to dangerous levels. The sightings come amid growing pressure between President Donald Trump and the Venezuelan government, with officials refusing to comment on the specific purpose of this deployment. But here's what you need to know. This is just the tip of the iceberg. More than 11 U.S. warships, including the USS Gerald R. Ford, the world's largest aircraft carrier, are now bearing down on the Caribbean as part of Operation Southern Spear. The operation officially targets drug trafficking, but the scale and composition of forces suggest preparations for potential broader military action. In southern Puerto Rico, F-35 stealth fighters have been deployed to the Cold War-era Roosevelt Roads Naval Base. Satellite imagery from September shows 5 F-35Bs on the former Navy ramp, along with MV-22 Osprey tilt-rotor aircraft and CH-53K King Stallion helicopters. The base reopened after 21 years, with local senators pushing for its use as a national security hub. This deployment is part of a massive military presence that now includes 15,000 U.S. troops in the region. About 5,000 personnel are stationed at bases in Puerto Rico, with the Roosevelt Roads facility serving as a vital logistics hub for operations near Venezuela. The timing is explosive. Venezuelan President Nicolás Maduro has been rallying tens of thousands of supporters, while declaring the country must defend every inch of this blessed land from imperialist threat. He's accused the U.S. of seeking to seize Venezuela's vast natural resources and has mobilized troops along the coastline. Trump has been sending mixed signals, stating both that Maduro's days are numbered and that he's not considering strikes, while maintaining that if we have to do it the hard way, that's fine too. Is this military buildup really about stopping drugs, or is it a dress rehearsal for intervention? Should the U.S. commit troops to another foreign conflict, or is this necessary to protect American lives from narcotics?